In this video, I'll show you how to add About Me in LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's jump straight into it, guys. Alright, open up any web browser and head on over to LinkedIn and make sure to log into LinkedIn. And once you're there, head on over to your profile. And then what you want to do on your profile section here is to click on Add Profile section. And then click on Add About. And now here's where you want to add the About Me stuff inside this box here. So I'll just do a quick demonstration. Alright, once you've edited your About Me, what you want to do is also add a skill here. So click on Add Skill and then list the skills in that you are good at. For example, project management, etc. So I'm going to put in technical support here and information technology for an example. Something like that. And then once you've done that, click on to save. You can also click experience. So I'm going to click on owner of tutorial is at YouTube, etc. Click on save. And now this will send you back to your About Me. Once you've created all this, mind you, you've got 2,600 characters. So you've got to keep it smaller than 2,600 characters. And once you've done that, click on save, and then that has created your About Me in LinkedIn. So if you scroll down on your profile, you will see the About section has now been filled out. And if you want to edit it from here, you click on the little pencil icon and give it an edit and then click on save.